Welcome to Concept Craft. We are presenting step-by-step videos training to crack your certification exam, so you can gain the confidence to take on any accounting challenge. Now let's begin our today's lesson. Filing sales tax in QuickBooks Online. Learning outcomes. In this lesson, we'll cover filing sales tax successfully in QuickBooks Online. Topics: filing sales tax forms. Filing sales tax forms in QuickBooks Online. Correcting payment errors. Maintaining compliance with the agencies. Paying sales tax to the required tax agencies isn't your client's only commitment. Tax agencies require that companies also file their taxes with them, so that the agencies know how much tax the client owes. How can QuickBooks Online help? QuickBooks Online makes filing tax forms easy by giving your client the information they need to file the return and showing them how much to pay. Filing sales tax forms. The Sales Tax Center provides clients with the required information to file their tax returns. Bear in mind, though, that when your client files tax forms in QuickBooks Online, it only records the amount of tax to pay and updates the liability account. It doesn't make a payment or transfer any money anywhere. Clients need to do the actual filing and payment on the relevant state's website, then record the payment in QuickBooks Online. Make sure the sales tax filing basis matches the accounting method required by the tax agency. You and your clients can edit the reporting method for each sales tax agency in the sales tax settings of the Sales Tax Center. This doesn't affect your client's chosen accounting method, accrual or cash, that they selected in Account and Settings. Once set, the Sales Tax Center automatically shows the correct reporting method and liability for each agency. Filing sales tax forms in QuickBooks Online. Now let's see how to file a client's sales tax forms in QuickBooks Online. Remember, doing this only records the amount and updates the liability account. You or your client will need to make any payment on the relevant state's website. In the Sales Tax Center, select View Tax Return next to the return you need to file. The Review Your Sales Tax screen gives information needed to file the return. It shows the tax agency, tax period, and due date. To file the return, select the link on the top right of the screen to open the tax agency's website and fill out the return. There are additional instructions under the link. If you need to adjust the sales tax for rounding or other situations, select the plus Add an Adjustment link. From this screen, there's also a link to view the tax liability report. Select Record Payment. Note that the amount is pre-filled and QuickBooks Online shows the steps to take in the filing process. Add the payment date. Select the source bank account from the drop-down. This screen gives you the option again to download the payroll tax liability report and fill out the form at the tax agency's website. To print the check, check the Print checkbox. Next, select Record Payment. A message appears to confirm that the return is marked paid. Select Back to Sales Tax Center to leave this screen. Now let's print the check. Select Plus New, then Print Checks. Enter the starting check number. Then select the sales tax payment transaction to view the payment. Finally, select Print. Correcting payment errors. If you or your client entered a payment in error, select History from the Sales Tax Center, then select View Return next to the period that contains the payment to delete. Select the date link and select Delete. Select Delete again on the confirmation screen. The return for the sales tax payment will no longer appear in Sales Tax History. Instead, it will move back to Sales Taxes Due. Any adjustments made on the return will also be deleted. Summing up. Learning outcomes. Well done. In this lesson, we covered filing sales tax successfully in QuickBooks Online. Knowledge recap. Sales tax can be a complicated and daunting task for clients to get right. QuickBooks Online gives them the tools they need to manage their sales tax, but they may well need your expertise too. You can now support your clients to set up tax agencies, create custom rates, add sales tax to a sales transaction, and file their sales tax forms. Next steps. In the next lesson, we'll cover how to adjust sales tax in QuickBooks Online.